Hello everyone. Are you wondering what G.O.A.T means? Let's explore. G.O.A.T stands for Greatest of All Time, a term used to describe someone who was considered the best in their field, whether it's sports, music, entertainment, or any other area of achievement. This acronym is often used to honor individuals who have reached the pinnacle of success and are widely recognized for their exceptional talent, skill, or contributions. When someone is called the G.O.A.T, it means they have set a standard that others aspire to, and their legacy is likely to be remembered for generations. The term is a way of acknowledging greatness in a way that transcends time, highlighting the individual's impact and influence on their field. In essence, being the G.O.A.T is about being at the absolute top of your game, recognized as the best by peers and fans alike. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.